It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We are here at Skinner Stoney Creek Vineyard, getting ready to pull off our 2 clones of Mourvèdre that we have here, and just waiting for the crew. And it's a killer, amazing morning. What makes Skinner really unique for us, and this is Skinner Stoney Creek, is that you've got this really cool granitic soil, and it creates this like stony but really floral, almost like potpourri type aromatics, and it's really unique for all of our different Mourvèdre vineyards. Just as an aside here, I need to say good morning to my daughter who watches all of these every morning. Good morning, Maple. We're up here on Grape Mountain. The grapes are purple and they're ready. Yay! We're about halfway done. We just finished our 3rd bin and we're getting into the 4th, 5th, and 6th. So we'll get about 3 tons out of here. Fruit looks great, tastes incredible. This is coming in handy because we've got some leaf hoppers down at the bottom, but other than that, it's just past 8:30. We loaded the truck with the fruit bins, and that is on its way down to the winery. I'm gonna stop at one other Mourvèdre vineyard on the way down to Sonoma, and then get that fruit into tank.